everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2022 Ford F-150 in the LARIAT trim. With just over 43,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck is equipped with a 5-liter V8 gas engine. It is 4-wheel drive. It also has a clean CARFAX. And in the front, you will find this F-150 well equipped with high-intensity headlights, LED daytime running lights, fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, accompanied by front proximity sensors and 2 front recovery hooks. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, we'll have a 20-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like new tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like fixed running boards, turn signal indicators integrated right into the end of your mirror cap with blind spot monitoring. You'll also have passive door entry, and looking inside, you'll be met with a black and dark espresso theme here. Really nice color here on this LARIAT. Dark stitching, high gloss elements, and a touch of chrome. A little bit of brushed aluminum. As you can see, that theme will continue throughout the entire interior of this gorgeous F-150. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these heated and cooling front seats with leather upholstery. Again, gray stitching, dark espresso piping, and you also have power adjustments on both the passenger and the driver's side. Additionally, located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection report. Here you can see all the tires are range anywhere from 6 to 7/30 seconds all the way around. The brake pads are good to go, and everything else is green, checked off by our technicians. And guys, we take care of the wearables here at All Things Automotive, so you don't have to shortly after purchasing a vehicle with us. Looking into the back seat, obviously a crew cab, so you're going to have plenty of space back here for your rear passengers. And they're going to have nice features like a flow-through center console. Looks like we have heated rear seats, a 120 outlet followed up with a 12-volt and a USB outlet, all-weather floor mat storage on the backing of the seats, a powered rear sliding glass, and a fold-down cup holder and armrest. Making our way around to the 6.5-foot bed, you will notice this particular F-150 does come equipped with a Line-X Brand Spray-In Bedliner and a 120 outlet followed up with your LED cargo lighting. You'll also have your Ford retractable easy step here. Back here, you'll have your rear camera, LED reverse lights, all of your towing equipment. And this LARIAT does come equipped with rear proximities as well. Hitch receiver, set up to tow, ready to go. Again, 5-liter V8. Really nice truck here today, guys. As you can see, easy assist tailgate. You will also have that retractable step. So that step's gonna slide out like that. Pull that handle out and lock it in place. And hey, check this out. This F-150 actually comes with a nice measuring tool here, so you can go ahead and just cut your losses at all the other dealerships and shop with All Things Automotive. Making our way to the driver door area, you will have your keypad entry. Again, proximity door locks here, passive door entry. And on the driver's side door, you will have all your powered options such as power windows, power door locks, and memory seating. You can set up to 3 profiles on the driver's side. You will also have, again, power folding mirrors. So really nice feature on the LARIAT. You will also have a power telescoping and tilting wheel and adjustable foot pedals. Up top, you'll have some lighting options for your mirrors, tailgate release, brightness and dimming controllers for your interior and cluster lighting, an option for your cargo lights, and your, a general lamp selector. Additionally, here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. And as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, tailgate release, and panic. To the right of the steering wheel, you will have your push button start. Nice welcome graphics here from Ford. Just over 43,000 miles on this F-150 LARIAT. And as far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, to the left, you'll have some adaptive cruise control options with your lane keep assist. You'll also have some volume options, and you do have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. And guys, that does include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on this massive screen. We'll get to that in just a moment. Right above, you'll have some selectors for that center screen, a back button, and some more menu options. Now bringing our attention to the center display and infotainment system. As you can see, I have the navigation pulled up, so you are gonna have onboard navigation. But as far as other audio sources are concerned, you'll have your standard AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth connectivity. Again, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, really nice here. I love when the rear camera fills the whole screen. Really love that. Up top, you'll have your proximity sensors. You can turn those on and off when you're parking, kind of like a park assist here. 4 ways, traction control off, and a downhill descent control. Down below, you'll have some simple radio controls, followed up with a dual automatic climate control, so either side can be super comfortable, and that does come complete with heated and cooling front seats and a heated steering wheel. You will also have your Pro Trailer Backup Assist with your integrated trailer brake control and your four-wheel drive selections. In the middle, if that's not enough, guys, you're going to have wireless charging with USB and USB-Cs. Nice retractable cover here. Again, brushed aluminum and a touch of chrome. Really nice interior here in this F-150. Leather wrap shifter here with your manual shift buttons here on the side, as you can see. And if I just hit that button right there. Okay, so let me back up. So once it's in park, hit it in reverse there, guys. Hit that button. That's going to recess into its own cavity, so you can have a flat surface here. You can put your clipboard here. If you're camping, you can put a tray there. But really nice feature here. Nice sport shifter. Back here, you will have that nice dark espresso leather with your gray stitching. I love this two-tone color scheme here. Nice deep storage console with removable trays for cleaning. Up top, you will have integrated garage door openers. I don't have a garage, so that doesn't help me, but if you do, it will help you. Okay, bright LED map lights here with your power rear sliding glass. So guys, at this point, we're gonna go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will find a 5-liter V8 naturally aspirated gas engine. As you can see, super clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks, oil leaks, or anything of that nature. No corrosion on the battery terminals. Our crew always does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. Dents, dings, and imperfections. In the front here, you will have some stone chips, so not perfect. Your grille insert is in good shape, and your headlights are nice and clear. No cracks, no condensation, no hazing, no fading. A couple of touch-up spots here on the front bumper around your proximity sensors. Other than that, very clean. And guys, this is a very helpful resource for those of you who might be shopping from further away. We appreciate you shopping with All Things Automotive, but before you make the trip to our dealership, hey, we want to be upfront and transparent, okay? So coming around to the wheel and tire setup, no curb rash on that wheel. Paint's in really good shape. Paint match mirror caps. Again, slight scuffs here, as you can see. Your running boards are in really good condition. No chipping, no fading, no cracking. Looks like we have a blemish here on the passenger side door handle. You are going to have some slight scuffs here on the high gloss black outer door trim. Looking inside, guys, not going to be much to go over. Very clean, no rip stains, tears, and no odors. So no smoke odors, super important here at All Things Automotive. Headliner is clear of any rip stains, tears, or anything like that. Continuing on to the back door here, door handle in good shape, as you can see. Some light scuffs here. On the rear passenger side door card, nice and clean, maybe a little blemish there. Other than that, on the backing of the seats, very clean. Like new all-weather floor mats. Everything seems to be in really good condition. Coming around to the bedside here, no dents or dings to the vehicle body. Again, no curb rash on that wheel. Super clean underneath, as you can see. All your decals and badging are in good shape. And then coming around to your tail lights, nice and clear. No cracks, no condensation, no hazing, no fading. Coming around to the rear bumper here by your rear proximities, all your towing equipment looks brand new. Your latch and your section around the camera and your LED reverse light, all good. And minimal scarring here on the bed. The bed's actually in really good condition, so it doesn't look like they hauled much. So that'll be up to you if you want to haul something in the back of that. Very nice truck here. No curb rash on that rear driver's side wheel. Coming around the cab corners and rockers, everything is super, super clean. Looking into the door crease, maybe some small blemishes here. I'm really trying to pick this truck apart, but I just can't. Guys, give us a call at All Things Automotive, 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales, or you can just hop online at allthingsautomotive.com and you can get yourself pre-approved. It's a super easy process. It only takes about 10 minutes of your time. And hey, make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage, because this truck will qualify. So we hope to see you at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.